Good evening, everybody. It is July the 2nd, 2019. It is 5:17 in the evening. This will be your evening earthquake report. There was a 4.6 northern Alaska, 43 miles south-southwest of Kobuk, K-O-B-U-K. That came in at 10 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 northern Alaska, 42 miles south of Kobuk, and that one came in at 0 miles in depth. A 3.8 Central California, 9 miles northwest of New Idra, I-D-R-I-A, that came in at 4 miles in depth. A 2.2 Central California, 1 mile north of Pacifica, that came in at 4 miles in depth. Now, that was on the USGS. EMSC says it was San Francisco Bay Area. Same location, only 2 miles north of Pacifica. Same depth. Okay? Those links will be in the description box. There was a 4.1 Michoacana, Mexico at 17.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 18.6 miles in depth. A 3.9 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Southern Sumatra, Indonesia at 111.2 miles in depth. A 2.6 near the southern coast of France at 2.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Alaska, southern Alaska, 48 miles southwest of Homer, H-O-M-E-R. That came in at 36 miles in depth. Now, there was a 2.0 Washington State, 2 miles northeast of Granite Falls, and that came in at 0 miles in depth. Now, that was on the USGS. EMSC says it was a 2.1 Washington State, 2 miles northeast of Granite Falls at 0 miles in depth. So they both have them at 0 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Argentina at 142.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 Chiapas, Mexico at 155.3 miles in depth. A 3.1 Dominican Republic, and that came in at 70.8 miles in depth. And a 3.3 Decentrus Islands, Greece region at 76.4 miles in depth. That is your evening earthquake report. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are just totally awesome. You have a great evening. I'll be back at midnight.